Hey everybody, Pastor Bill here. This is my safety tip. These right here, this is the rubbers off of my lift. They're just falling apart. These things are on there so it doesn't slip off of the metal. The metal gets kind of slippery. But when you put some little tire-like stuff on your supports, they grip. A lot of guys, they don't replace them when they get brittle and they fall apart. I bought these on eBay, brand new. Rubber supports, or car lift support thingies. And all you do is type in your brand of your lift and put rubber or rubbers or whatever, you know, and these will pop up to fit your brand and your model on eBay. I think I paid $24 for all four. I know this lift is old and they were getting old. Needed some new ones. So make sure you put new rubbers on your lift arms. They get brittle, and when the weight of the car comes up, and they just snap. Rubber degrades over the years. My lift is old, but it's hardly used. And the thing is, you need to replace the rubbers. And they're not that hard to fix. $24 on eBay. Just type in the brand of lift you have and the model, and type in the word rubbers or pads. And put them on so you don't kill somebody. Put some new rubbers on here on your lift. You can thank me later. God bless you.
No, this is good on.